for this election is 535. Total number of those accredited out of the 535, only 528 were accredited. 528 were accredited out of, I don't know where 7 members are not sure. Of the numbers being accredited, 528. Total number of votes cast. The total number of votes here is 528. Out of these 528 votes, there were 8 invalid votes. Invalid votes, 8. That is votes that nobody signed anything inside it or signed outside the boxes. Total number of valid votes, 520 votes. Total number of votes scored by aspirant Najim Olasayo Salam. Total number of votes scored by aspirant Najim Olasayo Salam, 520 votes. By the powers conferred on this panel by the Constitution of the African Democratic Congress (ADC), I, Chukwemeka Nwadiba, Chairman of panel, hereby announce the candidate-elect of our party. The observation is that the official result sheet, when we are entered this, we show the all of you first. So all of you are ABC owners. We are not hiding it from you. It is your party. You own this paper that I own. I only brought it for you because it's your own document. So you say that the official result sheet, where this thing I'm reading out from, is contained. I can show it to the members. Have you seen it?